Hi there. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use factory annotation along with data provider annotation. So the @factory, as you like in the previous video tutorial, it will create multiple instances of the test class and run with different kinds of data using the instance variable of the test classes. So data provider is a method level, so it can only pass multiple data sets to a test method. Okay, it can't create a new test object like test class object and run. Okay, so both are used for data driven testing, but however, let's say in this class you want to run a particular time multiple times, and the class itself you want to run multiple times, then we need to use the combination of @factory annotation and data provider annotation. So here the login test uses this data provider, and there are two rows, so this test will run twice, and then this factory test class has two methods, so test methods, and so this will run once and this will run twice. So for each run there are 3 runs, and the factory annotation creates 2 objects, so total 6 tests will run with this combination. Okay, so let's have the demo and run the test method like test class. As you can see, the total test 6 runs, and yeah, one for the Firefox instance and another for the Chrome instance, as you can see here. Like, okay, and you can see that login test will run twice for each instance. So this is for the Firefox instance and this is for the Chrome instance. Okay, so hope this is helpful. Thank you.